Hey immigrants, welcome back to the YouTube channel. We are all immigrants. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can relocate to a new country under 5 minutes. This is how you start your immigration process. Now, I know, it's so worrying, it's so hectic, it's so stressful trying to plan your immigration process to a new country. Don't worry. First step, determine your immigration goals. Now, understand why you want to immigrate, work, study, family, etc. and choose the country that aligns with your goals. It could be Europe, it could be in the US, it could be Canada, it could be Australia, wherever you want to go. Find out why you want to relocate. It's so important. Number 2, research the visa options. Now, this is very important. Every visa requires different documents. Identify the visa type, work, study, etc. that suits your needs and check the eligibility requirements. That's so important. Don't be there trying to get a visa and you're preparing documents of work visa. Guys, these things differ. Number 3, check the required documents for the visa. Gather necessary documents, passport, birth certificates, financial proof, etc., ensuring they meet the destination country's standard. Now, every country has different standards of the documents they require. They differ country to country, and you have to know that before you start your application. Now, that is why research is very, very, very important. Number 4, understand the timeline and the costs. Now, understand how long it is going to take you through the process and the costs that incurred. Maybe gathering the documents, maybe the visa fees, maybe paying some kind of like an immigration expert or anything else. 5, understand the language. Understand where you're going. What language do they use? Do they use Polish, German, Japanese, Korean, Italian, Greek, Arabic, whatever? Understand that the country's language is going to always differ from what you are used to. Number 7, submit your application. Complete the forms, submit the documents, and pay the fees accurately at the embassy accounts. Now, if you don't know this information, it is always on the embassy's websites. Every embassy has a website with all. Number 8, prepare for interview or additional steps. Be ready for any required interviews or additional steps such as medicals. Now, some countries require applicants doing medicals depending on what you're going to do or depending on your purpose of the visa. Now, be ready to take part in all that. Number 9, stay informed and follow up. Now, stay informed on stuff that is changing. After you make your submission, stay informed on maybe the embassies requiring you to submit new documents, more documents, and stuff like that. So always follow up if you're still in this process, most especially for those that are doing the process by themselves who didn't hire maybe a relocation expert or lawyer or immigration expert, something like that. Number 10, prepare for life in your new country. Once approved, plan your move, including housing, healthcare, and other essential services. Now, understand also the weather, where you're going. The weather might be different from where you're coming from, and that will be off for you. You'll be landing in the next few days and enjoying your new country. And when you reach in your new country, endeavor as much as you can to take care of the integration process. It is very, very, very crucial. You need to settle and fit in very well. Have a nice day. See you on the other side.